Whether it's at home or at school, end of the year gatherings are just around the corner, and health experts are stressing that not enough people are vaccinated. But it's not too late. Here to talk more about that is Dr. Lashay Ajayi. She's joining us this morning. Dr. Ajayi, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you. It is my absolute pleasure to be here today.
So we know that the CDC data, recent data shows that less than 1/3 of children and adults have received their flu vaccine so far this season. Why do you think that is?
Honestly, I think there's still a lot of concerns and misinformation about the flu vaccine, and that there are concerns about it. And honestly, those concerns do not outweigh the risk and the complications that we know that people can get from getting the flu.
And why is it so important right now, especially for people to get vaccinated?
You know, as we see people getting ready to get together for the holidays, we have more people gathering indoors. We have more people really concentrated in a small area for a longer period of time, and that's exactly when the flu spreads easily and fast.
And a part of this push, too, is to try to get more minority communities to get the vaccine. Why is that also so important with this campaign?
You know, when we look at minorities, we see that they're at higher risk of getting complications from the flu and honestly dying from the flu. This is the population that has, because of health inequities, has increased burden getting access to care, good quality of care, transportation, just more burden to get the flu shot. And so if we have this campaign, we raise awareness, we have people share their stories, and they get information.
And there is this new ad campaign that's out right now with the Ad Council. I think the CDC as well as the AMA have all partnered together. Tell us more about this campaign that people may start seeing.
Absolutely. My first point is to go to getmyflushot.org to get more information. That's getmyflushot.org to get more information. And you hit it right. The AMA and the CDC and the Ad Council are partnering together, bringing the scientific and the medical aspect of this to get the information out, to talk about the complications that can arise from getting the flu, and to get information about how and where to get your flu shot, the importance of reducing that spread and decreasing complications and hospitalizations.
A lot of great information. Dr. Ajayi, thank you so much for being with us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you for your time. Happy to be here. Have a great season.